Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Want to watch Roku content on your Samsung Smart TV but don't know how to install the Roku app? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get the Roku app on a Samsung Smart TV quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Samsung TV to the internet. First, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to Wi-Fi. To check, open Settings. Go to Network, select Network Status. If your TV is online, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Open the Samsung App Store. Now grab your Samsung TV remote. Press the Home button. From the menu bar, open Apps. This will launch the Samsung App Store. Step 3. Search for the Roku Channel. Inside the App Store, select the search icon. Type the Roku Channel. You should now see the Roku Channel app appear in the search results. Select it to continue. Step 4. Install the Roku Channel app. Now click Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your Samsung Smart TV. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. Once installed, click Open. Step 5. Sign in or start watching. When the app opens, you may see two options: sign in, continue as guest. If you already have a Roku account, sign in for a personalized experience. If not, you can still watch many free movies and live channels without creating an account. Conclusion. And that's it. That's how you get the Roku app on a Samsung Smart TV step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart TV and streaming tutorials. Also let me know in the comments which Samsung TV model you are using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.